Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be just showing you a quick catch up on how my foxgloves are growing. This one's in a pot here, self-seeded last year next to my agapanthus. As you can see, just starting to get some flowers on. They do grow really well in pots, especially large pots. They do like it. This one has been tipped, yeah, as you can see, growing really well. I'll just show you some in the garden that I moved, transferred. We have some here that are just starting to send out the flower spikes. One there, just sending up. Yeah, one there. Another couple here. These were really tiny. I transferred these from next to the lawn, the bottom border. As you can see here, you want to be careful with these. Really, if you're handling them a lot, wear some gloves because they are poisonous, digitalis. I think it's used in heart medicine. So you want to be really careful with these. If you've got young children, I wouldn't have them at all because you don't know what they're gonna bite and chew, that sort of thing. Same with dogs. So yeah, apart from that, they do flower really well and they do look absolutely amazing. As you can see here, this is gonna get each one of those leaves. There's gonna be a flower next to that as it starts going up, like we have here. Just leaf, flower all the way up. Just spin round. We have a couple more here. One more there, one there. They'll go up and beyond. And as we whisk round here, and this beautiful one here, this is absolutely amazing. This is one plant, this, as you can see, one plant where it's been nipped out in the middle, and that's caused it to send out these branches. You can get them, they do sell them in the garden centres and supermarkets as perennials. They're not really perennials, truth be told. You might get a second year out of them if you, after flowering, if you cut it within 12 inches, 6 inches of the base, like this one, you get a second flush this following year, but then very unlikely it's going to come back for a third and fourth year. So in my eyes, it's a bit of a con, that, not really a perennial in my eyes. So we'll come down here and show you some more that are growing in pots that are doing really well. I have this one here, it's self-seeded, as you can see there. That's sending out 2 shoots as well. But this one has got some caterpillar damage, and it's also been allowed to dry out a few times. Then we come down here. These are going to look absolutely amazing. They are a woodland plant, so they will take some partial shade. Don't worry about that. Like this one is shaded for most of the day. Only gets sun in the early to late afternoon and evening. But yeah, these are 4 or 5 separate plants. If I'd have took some of these plants out, the other plants would have got bigger. But I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flower spikes, and they're going to look absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's just a quick catch up on my foxgloves. When you get them like these, by the way, I grow them in a peat-based compost. I feed them with Miracle Grow, and I've got a slowly release fertiliser in here, which I'm using now, which is 6 months worth of feed, which is Miracle Grow. Just one in the border here. This one is just about to flower. As you can see there, beautiful. That'll bend down. They normally point a little bit level or downwards, and this opens, this little lip, tongue on the flower, and the bees absolutely gone mad for them in the morning. If you've got foxes, get up early and go and sit in your garden and have a cup of tea, and you will be blown away with the noise. Bzzz. I find it so hypnotic, sends me back to sleep. But yeah, another one here. These are all seeds I've collected and just chucked about the garden. So once you get a couple of nice foxgloves, just collect the seeds every year, just sprinkle them where you want them, and you'll never be without foxgloves again. So yeah, that's just a quick catch up on my foxgloves, what to look out for, what to do. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.